Hello, my name is Mr. Castellanovo, and I'm the Math Department Chairperson here at Kellenberg Memorial. I would like to talk to you about an important decision that you will have to make regarding your senior year and mathematics. Kellenberg Memorial offers 3 different senior math courses: Calculus 1, Pre-Calculus, and Statistics and Finance. And I would like to explain all 3 of the math courses to you. Often, first-year students in college find that in their mathematics and science courses, they are in class with highly motivated and very competitive students who have focused on advanced studies throughout their high school careers. In order to level the playing field, if you have any intentions on studying higher levels of math or science in college, you need to be exposed to calculus in high school. Calculus is the gatekeeper course through which all higher levels of math and science students must first begin. Depending on what you are planning to study in college, you need to follow a particular path in order to get to where you want to go. As a high school junior, most students have an inclination as to where their strengths and weaknesses are mathematically. If you're a person who has an interest in studying any of the following subjects in college: mathematics, engineering, physics, chemistry, biology, any type of science including pre-med, nursing, physical therapy, pharmacy, or if you have an interest in studying business, computers, economics, or finance, you should consider applying to take calculus. Kellenberg's Calculus course is roughly equivalent to a first semester college Calculus 1 course, devoted to topics from differential and integral calculus. This course covers limits, derivatives, and integrals. College calculus is a very challenging and demanding course. It is a fact that almost half of the students who take calculus in college either fail the course or drop the course because they are failing. Rarely in calculus do you ever get the immediate gratification and satisfaction of understanding a concept after just one explanation. That's the biggest difference, really, in college math versus high school math. In high school, if you're a strong math student, after the teacher gives an explanation or two, you have it. With higher levels of math, certain topics take days, weeks, or even months of study to fully comprehend. So if you're not up for a challenge, calculus is not for you. I do not want to discourage you from applying to take calculus next year, however. Almost all the students who choose to take calculus are having a positive experience and benefit from the experience in the future. But make no mistake, if you apply to take calculus next year and we accept you, you will be challenged. Even the most successful mathematics student says that calculus is a challenge. Not every student who applies to take calculus next year will be allowed in the course. This opportunity is available only for students in the Honors and Academic 1 programs at Kellenberg. In addition, only students who have demonstrated a very strong mastery of math. They must have an A in their algebra, geometry, and Algebra 2 and Trig math courses. Only students who received an A throughout high school will be accepted into calculus. In addition, you will need approval from your current math teacher. It's essential that this decision be a reflection of 100% commitment from the student and not the family. The student really wants to take calculus and has to be up for the challenge. If you fit those criteria, I encourage you to apply to take calculus. Kellenberg's Pre-Calculus course builds on the skills that are taught in Algebra 2. Pre-Calculus serves to strengthening core problem-solving skills. In this course, Pre-Calculus, students acquire knowledge and skills related to functions, polynomials, rationals, exponentials, as well as study conic section and matrices. Kellenberg Memorial's Pre-Calculus course is designed for students who have an interest in taking calculus but have not yet met their academic potential, who have not yet had an A average in math all 3 years of high school so far. So if you have the desire and the need to study calculus at the next level of your education, but don't yet fit the criteria of Calculus 1, you should apply to take pre-calculus. This course is designed to prepare a student for the rigors of calculus in college. Now, at the end of senior year, Kellenberg Memorial offers a Calculus 1 seminar for the pre-calculus students. So if you're not yet ready to take calculus at the beginning of senior year, after taking pre-calculus during your senior year math course, we offer the calculus seminar for you. It runs from mid-May to mid-June. It's free of charge and will give you the foundation of Calculus 1 to prepare you for calculus. So even if you don't yet meet the criteria for acceptance into Calculus 1, you can still take pre-calculus and then at the end of senior year attend the Kellenberg Calculus Seminar to have some exposure to calculus in high school. The final math course that Kellenberg Memorial offers for seniors is Statistics and Finance. Any student who does not have the desire for a college study in math or science should consider applying to take Statistics and Finance. This course introduces students to the major concepts and tools for analyzing, displaying, and drawing conclusions from data. In addition, students will learn about the world of finance. Topics covered will include personal finance, calculating mortgage payments, loan payments, and savings through bank accounts. So what we're going to ask you all to do is to fill out a Google form indicating which of the 3 math courses you're interested in applying for: Calculus 1, Pre-Calculus, or Statistics and Finance. There's a separate Google form for each course, and your math teacher will supply you with links to all of the Google forms. So please make sure that you're filling in the form for the course that you want to consider. If you're applying to take calculus, the Google form will ask for your name, your school email address, and your current math teacher. Students who wish to be considered for calculus are going to be reminded of the challenge that a calculus course provides. And we're going to ask if you're willing to make the commitment. We're also going to confirm the criteria for acceptance into calculus, namely getting an A in math all 3 years of high school. And we're going to ask you to confirm that this is indeed the student's decision and not a family member. We really need the student to be interested and have the desire to work hard and to be successful in calculus. Here is the Google form to apply to take pre-calculus. Again, we'll ask you for your name, your email address, your current math teacher, whether you want to take pre-calculus as a senior, and we're going to ask you why pre-calculus is the math course that you're choosing to take as a senior. Finally, here is the Google form for the Statistics and Finance course. We're going to ask you for your name, your school email address, your current math teacher, and whether you want to take Statistics and Finance. So please go to the link of the course that you want to apply for. Before you fill out your Google form, please discuss this with your family. We're going to supply the family with a link to this video presentation so they can hear all the information as well that you're hearing in class right now, so you can make an educated decision as to which of the 3 math courses, Calculus 1, Pre-Calculus, or Statistics and Finance, which of the 3 math courses best is for you. The goal that I have as the math department chairperson and your current math teacher is to put you in a situation that you can be successful with. And that's why we're going to ask you for which math course you would like to take. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day.